Kirka of Tchelber, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I'm Tchelber and this is Tips and Tricks. Today on Tips and Tricks we'll be talking about Chat GPT. Do you hate Chat GPT or any other AI writing assistant as a writer? I have heard of clients complaining about writers using Chat GPT for work. What do you think? I actually like Chat GPT. Well, I do not use it to create scripts, but I do use it on my social media posts. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, which can be an ultimate writing companion for you. Now, this is not an ad for ChatGPT. I wish it was, but I do not oppose the use of this AI tool when it is used properly. So how can you use ChatGPT in the right way as a writer? I'm going to give you some helpful tips that can help you. 1. You can use it to generate writing ideas. ChatGPT can generate creative ideas for you and you can develop it further. 2. You can use it to find inspiration. We all need inspiration, right? Well, ChatGPT can do that for you. You pen down the prompt or ask questions, and this AI tool will generate articles, blogs tailored to your genre and style. 3. Create plots. Do you need to structure your plots? Add a little bit of twist in your story? ChatGPT can help you do this effectively. 4. And probably my favorite, ChatGPT can help you edit your article. It can help you check errors, suggest better phrasing, and help you write better. All you have to do is ask using the right prompts, which you can find in the article below this YouTube video. ChatGPT is a great tool that can support you when writing. Remember, it does not replace human experience as a writer. So, what do you think about ChatGPT? Will you give it a chance as a writer?